No correct. Me am Rasha Biduni and Ma Asante Akyem North for now. Omo man baby atena parliament fear. Now, bra me bo crop me call around the year campaign. Baby anyone Gina a camp for that. Tree them the year campaign. Ko baby and someone me catch on more and ma omo to abama a tree castle and a car. Now, Oba the Rasha Bidum ha. Yes, standing order, the boy and brother. Standing order 63-1. HSA. Ubetimi aka kasa foforo. Apart from English, and a year kasa yina ye kadie. And so ubetimi aka kasa foforo say Parliament ewo akadie no a ubetimi achire man. I say wa ubetimi achire mu. And so me per se emra no ho ne die. Me so mra na hwe kakra. Ahweseni ebeko na obi aso hu say ampa once upon a time opani bi by and a young man bi by na she bedwam the first time all kasa no original e kan the krum kasa e Asante Akyem ejitum say empanifo bebre e wo na she bedwam wo so kasa foforo bebre se bi ka dagumba e bi ka igbe menka se meme de na amaka no eno na chenchena a obi nfa nanso mra no kana pefi say Oka chim and ansana me kasana so we bisa akwanya free right honorable speaker Asiama ho na ono so na me kotu order number 63-1 and na omam ho akwanya say na say me katwi ne dia we are musumin chirim and na me fast akwanya so e kan twi no esa chirim na we ama me ni agye ohunu say ade bi nsi e wo mra hye bedwam da me letimi edikan aye ade wu ebe hye obi nkuran ebe ma parliament o hu se ampa enhihye bia e wo se omoye se ne be ya afoforo ebetimi afele free I express omukurum kasa se bia sembi mu odu no beso omuka omukurum kasa no ometimi akire se obi beso ka dagomba obetimi aka na ye de translators aba bi obi beso ka konkomba obi beso ka ibe obi beso ka mfante kasa bia obeso ka bia no me gidi ye say nya kwanya se obetimi akyirem akakasa na gidi ye say ebebo yi ba hye ade we asisisi no munya mo wa ha bi muhu se ne parliament nkofo bebre sorry e kasa fa ho agitu mu se enya nipa ba ku mienu bi ana ho susu se da bi but nipa dodo na sorry e kan say ye ne say ebebo wo call baby to say Russia for nka anfa brofo enter no parliament Oko South Africa haya omoka Swahili e wo mo parliament oko Germany aye German language omoka e wo mo parliament nkronkro bebre emma sa obekọ China na China parliament no mo kambrofo there be nkrom kasa no oba Ghana ye okasa ni bebre na so ye oba akumienu bia ni patodo na ate say yi Ghana population na Asante Akyem e kasa ni patodo na ate ase Yo TV stations wo Ghana ha radio stations wo Ghana dodo na omo de twi na ye adwuma obi yo radio stations wo krum ha omo de brofo na ye adwuma enso omo listenership no mo view no e wo fom na so omo ka twi no yeti omo pa enti me nka se twi nko an kasa ai wo krum da bi me jitum se kasa foforo bia wo so ye encourage Emma obi a opesa ono so to the be obetimi express no on local language no otimi ade express no initially na obi susu say o e bia me constitution be susu say e bi kra me ntebro fo ntina ma me katwi but me constituents o munnim say ban brofo I will be able to speak and speak very very well and it anya the matter of say me ka brofo na mmom say to the be a obe ka de omo so omo bete ase because me na me ka no me na mo a me campaign me nyina ba bi da an kamrofo e twi na me de ye campaign amman penifo president omukọ ye areas bi omukọ a omo nkabrofo ho e kuro no omukọ ye no twi kasa na se kasa omukọ no kuro mo no e ho no omukọ se MPB free SCC ya no ko voter regional e be ye din so ba ko jina ono omakọ ya brofo se mana ne omakọ katwi ono ombeka igbe kasa acho se dem chawati ase elinti sa akwanya ne de me sere nyankopon se parliament ebe bobo ho na mo agiatum se ne be ya nhye na ho se once upon a time there was an independent member of parliament called Ohene Kwame Frimpong from Asante Akyem North or by ebe boy emma ya adopt your local language
Asante Akyem North.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I want to stand by Order 631 of the standing order and bring my contribution in the local language. Order 63.
Are you going to do the interpretation in English?
Yes, I can do that. Yeah.
If you can do that, but why do you want to do it in Twi?
My constituents have told me severally that they want to hear or understand most of what we speak about in Parliament in the local language. So if I can indulge you on that, I would really appreciate it.
Is that so?
Yes, please. Right. Mr. Speaker, Didin Kameda Yunyaba Felicia Eji Sir Ode and some here we are today. Now, kakra me pese me kan yakwan enye dodona enye ewo Ghana ha and afi ye street lights ye ma me no eka bibri efa tourism ho ye nim sene tourism eboa krubia sene itimide sika eba ema economy no emu epija. Now mefa kwanya we so no masa atwe aban na dwen asi se ye nyina nim se ye vice president ye maame Jane Nana Opoku oye oba na ya na etore bi a ya sefem se won number bi te se East Legon ene mia bibre a ye nuanom ma sene omo asala ewo kwan ho a ya na eyade asefem eni timi hu ni se ebetimi afa akwanya bi so na ye tu maifo sene be ya omunjeja kwan ho se bi obi ho a bi we free America we free UK wate Ghana opese obeji nani kakra wo Ghana opese o visit tourism sites na ohu enema bi sei na face ye street lights bebre onam a enjajuma enti emma ya na kronumo ni gie no ya na nipa bebre nheda enya ne saa enti me fa kwanya we so na matwe aban no adwen asi problems are efa yakwan a bebre enye efa ye street lights bebre asese and afi ya na sene yehu emma bebre egina ekwan ho a ebi aso omunye adwuma bi abarase sebi brasibra na omobo ne de tu omofo se enya no nko na ye adwuma o mbetimi aye ewo Ghana mamu a aninti sabrei mesa atwa so aka se oba ba bi te se Asante Akyem North hwidie nkura fere hwidie mu a hwidiem ye waterfalls ewo ho ye pese ye krakra ne yi sane be Asante Akyem North nsoso tourism ni bi ebetimi apija wo oba ba bi te se onyemso wa Asante Akyem North also so ye waterfalls ni bi wo ho a enka yesuzu se aban ne de nani ko ho a ebetimi aboa ama tourism wa Asante Akyem North nsoso apija. Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. If you want me to
do the interpretation for us.
Okay, right.
Honourable members, let's listen to him. He has to do the interpretation for us.
Right. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. So, I want to thank the maker of this statement, my colleague, Honourable Felicia Eji. I know that she spoke about tourism in Ghana. She made mention of bad road networks. She made mention of a lot of street lights which are not in good condition. She made mention of problems within her constituency, and so I know she urged the government to intervene and put things right in her constituency, which will help with tourism in her constituency. I know that most of my colleagues here and my the honourable members in this house understand what I've put now, and so I will not continue more. I will not say much more. I think that's okay. They understand exactly what I've spoken about. Thank you very much.